Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now in this session we are going to discuss an example, unique example where we are going to draw a graph of the function, double valued function pi x between 0 to 1, pi into 2 minus x between 1 to 2. Then we have to show that its expansion, that is a Fourier expansion, will be in this format. Okay, so very first what we do, we will be taking the graph. What is the graph? Here first I'll write down the Fourier series. The Fourier series of f of x having a period 2l. What is 2l here? You can see 2l is between 0 to 2, means 2l is equal to 2, therefore l is equal to 1. Okay, therefore that is pi of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an into cos n pi x divided by l plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of bn into sine of n pi x divided by l. It will be, let us take it as equation number 1. First, here let us go through its nature and as well as graph. First I will go through graph. Let us consider f of x is equal to y. It is quite simple. Y is equal to f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to pi x means f of x is equal to pi x, which is nothing but y, and f of x is equal to pi into 2 minus x, which is equal to y. Fine. Therefore, f of x is equal to, this is y, therefore y is equal to pi x. What is the meaning of y is equal to pi x? Y is equal to pi x is, it represents equation of a line passing through the origin 0, 1. Equation of a line passing through the origin 0, 1. And this one, y is equal to this, therefore y is equal to 2 pi minus pi x. Okay, 2 pi minus pi x. Therefore, if I take it here, then it is pi x plus y is equal to 2 pi, or else if whole function got divided by 2 pi, whole equation is divided by 2 pi, then it becomes 2 pi, this divided by 2 pi means x divided by 2 plus y divided by 2 pi, which is equal to 1. And what it is? This is the equation of line, straight line, which intercepts x at 2 and y at 2 pi. Fine. Therefore, if I put a graph here, then what happens? I'll be taking it as a origin, where it will be 0, 0, and here it will be 1, 0, and here it will be 2, 0. Fine. And here on this we'll be taking it as 0, 2 pi. Fine. Because when it will be taken, then y is equal to f of x, means it is simple equation of a straight line passing through the origin 0, 1. Means what? It is equation of a straight line. Fine. Y is equal to pi x. Then another one is y is equal to pi into 2 minus x. Means what? It intercepts x at 2. X at 2 means here, and y at 2 pi means here. So this will be the another equation. This is y is equal to pi into 2 minus x. Fine, you can take it here. So this is the graph for the given example. Then we'll be checking out its nature of the given function. So let us take pi of x is equal to pi x and xi of x is equal to pi into 2 minus x. Therefore, since the given function is having a limit like minus L to plus L, which is equal to 0 to 2. Fine. Therefore, x will be replaced by minus x. X will be replaced by minus x. Therefore, pi of minus x is equal to you can take it here. It is not between minus L to plus L. 0 starts from 0. So it will be taken as 0 to 2L. 0 to 2L. Then x will be replaced by 2 pi means 2L minus x. But what is L? So x will be replaced by L is equal to 2L. L is equal to 1 here. Therefore, it will be 2 minus x replacement. Therefore, pi of x will be replaced by 2 minus x. Therefore, it is pi into 2 minus x, and it is exactly same as xi of x. Therefore, pi of 2 minus x is equal to xi of x. Therefore, the function is even and bn is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, we need to calculate a0 and an. So what is a0? 2 by L integration between 0 to L f of x dx. That is equal to 2 divided by, since L is equal to, in this case L is equal to 1. Therefore, it becomes 2 divided by 1 integration between 0 to 1. What is f of x? Between 0 to 1. That also we need to check it out here. So it is between 0 to 2 and it is 1. Between 0 to 1, this is pi x. Between 1 to 2, it is pi into 2 minus x. Therefore, we are preferring this because it is between 0 to 1. That is pi x with respect to x. So pi will be taken out. Then it becomes 2 pi into integration of x is x square by 2 between 0 to 1. Substitute upper and lower limit. If you put upper and lower limit, then what we will be getting? 2 to cancel. Then outside it will be pi into upper limit is 1 square minus lower limit 0. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to pi. Therefore, what is a0 by 2? That is pi by 2. a0 by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, next, an. What is an? An will be 2 divided by L integration between 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L with respect to x. Therefore, 2 divided by L is 1. Integration between 0 to L, that L is 1. Then f of x is pi x into cos of n pi x by L with respect to L means 1. Okay. So this is equal to, pi is taken out. Then it becomes 2 pi. Integration between 0 to 1. Then x into cos of n pi x with respect to x, because divided by L is equal to 1. Therefore, by generalized Bernoulli rule, n is equal to 2 pi into, out of these two, first function is x. Therefore, first function into integration of second function, that is sine of n pi x divided by n pi, minus differentiation of the first function is 1, then integration of the second function is minus cos n pi x divided by n square pi square between 0 to 1. Therefore, 2 pi into 1 due to the limit, you can see here, due to the limit, what happens? If you put 1 here, then it becomes sine n pi, which is equal to 0. If you put 0, it becomes sine 0, which is equal to 0. Here if you put 1, then it becomes cos n pi, which is equal to minus 1 raised to n, and if you put 0, it becomes cos 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore this term is 0. Okay, this term is 0. If it is removed, then I'll be getting minus of minus plus 1 divided by n square pi square into cos, upper limit if you put, then it becomes cos n pi minus lower limit is cos 0. Okay, therefore 1 pi get cancelled, that is 2 divided by n square into pi into minus 1 raised to n minus 1. But it is not preferable. Therefore, how we will be taking? We will be taking it as an is equal to minus 2 divided by n square pi into 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n. Okay. Therefore, substitute, since Bn is already 0, substitute a0 an Bn is equal to 0 in equation number 1. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes f of x is equal to a0 by 2. a0 by 2 is what? Pi by 2. So, okay, plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an. What is an? Minus 2 divided by n square into pi into 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n into cos n pi x. Okay, n pi x divided by L, but L is equal to 1, plus this is 0. Therefore, f of x is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 divided by n square pi is taken out. Then it is summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n into cos n pi x. Fine. So this is equal to f of x is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 divided by n square into pi. We'll check its value, what it will be exactly. Okay, 1 minus of minus 1 raised to n will be either 2 or 0. When? If it is 2, if the power is odd, if n is odd, if n is even, it will be equal to 0. Therefore, we will be preferring odd. Therefore, it is summation from n equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on to infinity of 2 into cos n pi x. Fine. Therefore, f of x is equal to, here we are expecting 2 into 2 4, so it is pi by 2 minus 4 divided by n square into pi, n square into pi. One thing, just a minute, we'll keep this n square inside the bracket. Okay, so it is required here. Then 2 divided by n square. Okay, so n square will be removed from. Then it becomes, remove the summation by putting, or else once I take summation from n equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on to infinity of 1 divided by n square into cos n pi x. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 divided by pi into, now remove the summation, put n is equal to 1, then it becomes cos pi x divided by 1 square. If you put 3, then it becomes cos 3 pi x divided by 3 square. If you put 5, then it becomes cos 5 pi x divided by 5 square and so on. And this is the required Fourier series. Thank you.